for them making the water machine. We don't need to. We're not ashamed of anything.
Very big sham, it's cool.
Fortunate enough to spend a week in Croatia with CDV last year. This year we have the honor of going on the CDV cruise in Croatia. We have been able to see things off the beaten path, see things we would never have dreamed to see, and see things that you don't see in the guidebooks. It has been phenomenal.
We have been to some of the most remote islands. We've had dinners and meals and spent time with people who actually had never even hosted a group of people before, so they were worried, nervous, not knowing what was going to happen. By the end of the evening, everybody's laughing and singing.
So this week was absolutely amazing. Starting for the people that were on board with us, they treated us like part of their group, as friends that we've known for many years. The atmosphere was so laid back. We hang out together. We visited places that we don't normally visit, and that was the amazing part. Also, all of the people on the islands that hosted us were absolutely amazing.
Another thing that is just the hospitality of our hosts, obviously, as well as just the people of Croatia have been just very genuine and passionate about their country, and so giving about trying to show people what an amazing country it is. So I think overall it's just been an incredible journey, and I'm looking forward to the next trip.
I'm Jakov Rubinic and I'm a host here in Humac Ethno-Eco Village, and I host dinner for Cultural Discovery team here in Humac. In my house with my family, we prepare a nice dinner for them. We walk through the old village and see the old houses and explore the old streets, and been inside the church, inside the museum. This is the first time that we did a host of a dinner like this, but we hoped in the future it's going to be more of this and that we're going to improve even more.
You will never see bluer water, more beautiful islands. I wake up every morning and pinch myself that I'm even here. This is in the